Today we're going to be doing a kind of a wings of death challenge. This is going to be a whole load of fun for you, and especially if you've got kids. So we're going to kind of have it spicy, but not too spicy, because we want nobody to block a toilet. Typical old Irish day here, wind everywhere. So first thing that we're going to do is actually make up our kind of super spicy coating for our wings. And we're going to be cooking these in the Weber. So just a spicy rub that you have. I'm going to combine two. This is Chud's barbecue snake bite. Really kind of nice little kick to it. So just going to do half. That's about as much as I'm putting in. Not a huge amount. And then the other one is meat church. This is Matt Pittman's honey hog hot barbecue rub, and there's a kick off of this as well. So we've got a lot of sweet, a lot of heat in here. So we roughly have kind of half and half of two spicy rubs. You don't have to do the two spicy rubs, but you know, who doesn't want a fun dinner with their kids? Mix it up really quickly. We don't blow away. Okay, and then you have to, you know, take a bit onto the tongue. The good thing about this is the heat comes on the kind of the back end. What did I say about blocking toilets? Now, when these go on the Weber Kettle in today's video, I have no idea where any of them are going, but just for the purpose of making these small, few kind of super spicy wings, I'm using a small foil tray so we can control where's what. Now you do you here. I've got drums and I've got flats. Personally, I kind of prefer the old flappers myself, but whatever. So I've got about 3, 4, 5, 6. Just going to give it a quick pat dry. So if you want these wings to be crispy, they have to be dry, okay? So the drier you can make the actual wings, the better on both sides. And then the key to kind of really kind of making these super crispy is to get them into the fridge for as long as you can, overnight maybe, or worst case scenario, a couple of hours, which is what I'm doing. Let's get our potent mix of Chud's barbecue snake bite and honey hog hot barbecue. So we've got some serious, yeah, we've got a lot here. Then coat wings on both sides. Like, this couldn't be easier, right? There's going to be tears at dinner. And stick around for the end of the video, because I am going to shoot people's reaction, because somebody's bound to get these. All right, so that's those. Nice color, ready to rock. Most important thing is get these dry. Even just pat it dry, ding ding. Yeah, just get them dry in whatever way you can, because a dry wing is a crispy wing. I like a sweet wing. I like a bit of heat as well. So I'm going to do this tray with meat church honey hog barbecue. So this is basically the other one without the heat. Squishing these around. Get yourself some black gloves. Super useful. Otherwise, you will be a walking salmonella fist. Put these in your fridge, and then we'll come back and we'll start firing up mortar to make these the crispiest wings of death ever. A little bit of oil on the top here is the secret sauce to get these really crispy. So the Weber is at 500 degrees, which is, I haven't had it that hot in a long time. In fact, I might actually just dial it down a little bit. Here is the last lot of wings that I'm going to put on, because we are way too hot. It's one extreme or the other. Time for these is really 30 to 40 minutes. Just keep an eye on them. Like, after the first 20 minutes, then take a look. And the good thing is with chicken wings, you can't really screw them up. Although, as I said, this is a towering, screaming inferno. So I'm like, But thing is, just keep them there. 40 minutes is what you're kind of looking at. But once they're crispy and good, like internally it's 165, but you can take them a lot further than that. So next thing to come is, once these are done, we're just going to brush a little bit of evil onto these to make sure those toilets are blocked. We're about 40 minutes in, and I'm gonna, just for fun, for a wing roulette challenge, it's always good for fun, I'm gonna cook some in this Stubbs original barbecue sauce, which is a really, really good barbecue sauce. And then one of the spiciest barbecue sauces that I have, that I'm aware of, is Franklin Barbecue's spicy sauce. This thing has an absolute wallop. So I have a rough idea where the wings are, the super spicy ones that we put together. And yeah, we're gonna paint those, and we're gonna paint some of the other ones just completely at random. I know exactly where the spiciest ones are. So we're gonna just put a little bit of a circle. Gonna throw some fries in the middle of this as well. But gonna hide the insanely spicy ones here. You know what? I'm just gonna be totally evil. I'm just gonna put them back here, wherever they go. Bit of space for our fry mountain inside here. So let's see how everybody does. Everybody pick one. Aaron's pick one. Mia pick one. Mom pick one. Okay. Go for it.
The spice! My mouth is on fire. Someone call the fire brigade.
Yep. This is one. It's good though. Oh my God, that's hot. Man?
Spicy. Good.
But you're a savage.
No, it's good.
We have survived our wing roulette. It's so much fun just cooking them on the Weber Kettle, and it just works, and you can make them as spicy or not spicy as you can. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try this out, even for someone who's a little bit afraid of spice. It's always good to push the boundaries. And speaking of pushing boundaries, this video doesn't push any boundaries, but I would appreciate it if you watch it and hit the like button and subscribe and all those YouTube things that you're doing as we start growing this barbecue channel. And I'll see you on the next video. Sláinte.